Is it the right time to make a decision about Intel stock? Let's dive deep into Intel in this video. We initially shared a report on our website on Thursday, December 28, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Discover the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified Intel as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.59. Now let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have seen a remarkable gain of 32.12% since we first recommended buying Intel 38 days ago. This means an average daily return of 0.85% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, which presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders. However, it's important to note that the stock may experience a pullback towards the lower part of the trend. If the stock breaks above the top trend line at $51, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 40.41% change in the stock price over the next 3 months. The potential return could range from 18.98% to 42.10%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 46.71% change in the stock price over the next year. The potential return could range from 2.79% to 47.98%. This translates to a price range of $51.79 to $74.57 after a year. Our latest update on Intel brings some interesting news. According to recent evaluations, Intel stock has been downgraded after the last trading session. On the last day, Thursday, December 28, 2023, the Intel stock price experienced a decline of -0.729%, dropping from $50.76 to $50.39. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $50.16 and a high of $50.87, with a percentage change of 1.42%. It's worth noting that the stock has shown an upward trend in 7 out of the last 10 days and has seen a significant increase of 13.06% in the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally considered a positive sign as volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, there was a decrease of 25 million shares traded, with a total of 27 million shares bought and sold for an approximate value of $1.37 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price of Intel stock reached $51.28, while the lowest price was $24.73. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 1.73% or 88 cents below the 52-week high. Moreover, it is currently 27.28% or $18.90 below the all-time high, which was recorded on January 24, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Intel Corporation (INTC). Let's start with the most recent report. On Monday, December 18, 2023, it was reported that Needham gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Moving on to Friday, December 15, 2023, Deutsche Bank also gave Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Additionally, Bank of America Securities joined in on Friday, December 15, 2023, giving Intel a neutral grade with an upgrade action. Going back a bit further, on Wednesday, December 6, 2023, KGI Securities rated Intel as outperform with an upgrade action. Lastly, on Thursday, November 16, 2023, Telsey Advisory gave Intel a buy grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have given Intel stock a general rating of buy. They consider the P/E ratio to be a strong buying opportunity and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Intel stock. The Intel stock is showing positive signs based on both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also suggests a buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support expected at $48.45 and $43.93. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal for Intel stock. However, it's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which could have an impact on the short-term development. For instance, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 27, 2023, resulting in a decline of -0.729% so far. It is anticipated that there may be further decline until a new bottom pivot is identified. Lastly, it is worth mentioning that the volume of trading has decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This reduction in volume reduces the overall risk, as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a recent buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands have shown a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average has generated a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average has generated a buy signal 42 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has indicated a buy signal 39 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short-term moving average has generated a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average has generated a buy signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has indicated a buy signal 189 days ago. If you want to find more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we're going to talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. When analyzing the downside, we can see that the stock has support levels just below today's level. These levels are based on accumulated volume and are located at $46.16 and $45.18. It's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if the $46.16 support is broken, then the next support will be found at $45.18 and $43.35. Let's now discuss the risk associated with trading this stock. Intel has average movements during the day and maintains good trading volume. Therefore, the risk is considered to be medium. To put things into perspective, in the last day, the stock had a price range of $0.710 between its highest and lowest points, which corresponds to a 1.42% movement. Looking at the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.34%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Intel, it's important to cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 25, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $0.430. It's important to keep a close eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Intel. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $50.50. If you're not already invested, it might be a good idea to wait for the stock to surpass this level before considering a position. However, if you're already holding Intel shares, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $46.16. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders, as we might see a rebound from there. According to multiple analyst sources, Intel has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger, the CEO of Intel, conducted an insider buy of 13,063 shares of common stock. On December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger also conducted an insider sell of 6,477 shares of common stock. Furthermore, on December 22, 2023, Patrick P. Gelsinger conducted another insider sell, this time of 13,063 shares of restricted stock units. Moving on to other insider trades, on December 3, 2023, David Zinsner conducted an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. Similarly, on December 3, 2023, Christoph Schell conducted an insider buy of 5,283 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -8.847. Overall, insiders have purchased 338,672 shares and sold 407,312 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $48.56, which is a decrease of 3.64%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 82, indicating a substantial increase in risk. We also want to point out that there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive signals indicating a good trend for Intel stock in the short term. Although there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we still consider it a buying opportunity. Furthermore, our systems have identified that the current price is undervalued, adding to the potential of Intel stock. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, December 29th, we expect Intel to open up $0.0833 and start trading at $50.47. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be taking a closer look at the current view of this stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for this stock? Your feedback is valuable to us. If you enjoy our content, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful updates. We hope you find success in your trading endeavors. Thank you for choosing Stock Invest, and have a wonderful day.